love the way you down for me. My bumpin' one getting things done for me. Make sure money on my books for my commissary. And by all means, you are necessary. Look, I love the way you down for me. I don't want no other man so scary, scary. Always fussing all the time, so petty, petty. Nobody come first like family, family. What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? It's your girl, Queen Sandy, the one and only, you heard me. Now, what Queen Sandy's going to be doing today is educating you, ladies and gentlemen, on how to drain the slime out of the okra, you heard me. Now, pay attention. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, it's a simple process. Now, first off, you need to get you a skillet. Place your okra up in a skillet with a cup of water. And kind of bring the okra to a boil. Now, Queen Sandy's going to be boiling this for a little while. And what makes it so simple, normally some prefer frying their okra first. But what Queen Sandy does is boil it because it gets the slime out quicker. So once I get the slime out, I put it in a strainer and I run some cold water over it. Now here's the process. Pay attention. Also, ladies and gentlemen, what y'all can do is add a capful of apple cider vinegar to give it a little flavor. Now y'all see how Queen Sandy have the okra boiling. I know a lot of people don't like okra, but okra can actually go up in your beans and your gumbo. Look at that there. Now, what you want to kind of do is stir it up a little bit. Make sure it don't stick to the bottom of the skillet. See how slimy it is? You're going to bring it to a liquefied level. Look at that now. Fried okra tastes good as well. But it has to be well seasoned to me. With a dark crust. Once again, it is a process getting the slime out. You don't want it smushy neither. Now once the slime starts to kind of cook down, Queen Sandy gonna bring it to the strainer and strain it and run the cold water over it. And repeat the same process again. Now pay attention. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what Queen Sandy is doing is allowing the slime to kind of drain out. Kind of lift it. Now watch how simple Queen Sandy make it look, baby. That cold water. I know some of y'all probably say, well, I ain't think about this. I'm standing over the stove, cooking that damn okra all goddamn day. Why I ain't think about this? Let it drain. Until you don't see no slime no more. And just continue to repeat the same process over and over again. Until it reaches the level in which you desire to eat it. Got to get all that dust slime out there, baby. It's kind of draining it a little slow. But that's a small thing to a giant, you heard me. Now what Queen Sandy is about to do is run this cold water over the grenade. Ladies and gentlemen. Now when it don't look slimy, how it's coming out at the bottom, it got to be clear water just coming out at the bottom. You see that? The first time Queen Sandy drained it, it was slime. Now it's water coming out. That's what you want it to be. That's how you know that the slime has been gone. It's gone. They ain't got no more slime in there. When you see clear water. Push this down. Repeat the process again. Clean finger rinse off my hand right quick. And once again, work smart, not hard. There's more than one way to skin a cat. Why stand over the stove all day when the goal is just to get the slime out? So see how it's clear water down here? Get out of there. Get out of there. Y'all see that there? Come on, slime. Get out of there. Now, if y'all can see, as y'all can see at the top of the okra, you just kind of see like a little bit of slime in the middle. But that's no problem. And this okra is actually healthy. A lot of people just don't eat okra because of the slime. My mama put them in her beans. That's the best beans ever, baby. I say them up. Also, I gotta remember to reserve the water. Slime out of there. Now what Queen Sandy is going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is again transfer it to the skillet. I'll cut you guys back on in a second. Holla back. All right now, ladies and gentlemen, now here we go. Let's see if we got this damn slime out here. You heard me? All right now, ladies and gentlemen, now your girl Queen Sandy is back. You heard me? Now you see how Queen Sandy had the okra in the skillet. See, we don't really have that much slime in there. So what Queen Sandy is going to do is kind of let it fry. Kind of fry some of the slime out. But that's it for a moment. We've done a great job getting the slime out of the okra, y'all, ladies and gentlemen. Now again, for anybody that's interested in fixing some okra, remember, you put your okra in the skillet, put a cup of water, kind of bring it to a boil, then place the okra up in the strainer and run some cold water over it, and keep allowing the slime to drain out of the strainer until it's clear, and then throw it back in the skillet and let it kind of fry a little bit. I like this I just love this 9-stick skillet, you heard me. It's also easy to clean as well, so. Look at that there. I bet y'all guessing what Queen Sandy cooking, huh? The weather is kind of cold out here today, y'all. So I'm fixing some gumbo to kind of warm us up. We got that boiling on the side. I just applied the crabs to the pot. And I got my crawfish tails sauteing. If only y'all can smell it through the phone, baby. It don't even have a scent or no smell. That's the thing about okra. Now, once again, ladies and gentlemen, you don't really need to put no ingredients in here. Water, or you can use apple cider vinegar to help with the flavoring. I don't even know too many households that cook okra nowadays, other than somebody that's older. I don't know too many youngsters that cook okra. Young mothers. So this video is basically for any young mothers that always wanted to learn how to make something different, and always wondered how okra was made. Well, here you go. Queen Sandy giving you, ladies and gentlemen, a tutorial. Y'all know I gotta burn that fire flame on a daily basis on Life of Queen Sandy and Family's YouTube channel, you heard me. How many of y'all out there eat okra? But y'all prefer fried okra or okra in y'all beans? I don't know, I eat the fried okra with some fried chicken and french fries. But when you're trying to eat a meal, it go great in your gumbo and your beans, baby. Now, Queen Sandy is going to cut y'all, ladies and gentlemen, back on in a moment. You heard me? Holla back. All right, now, ladies and gentlemen, are y'all anxious to see if they have any slime up in this okra, baby? Let's see. Nope. Sorry. Now, Queen Sandy had to add the okra to the gumbo. Now, that's what we're eating today, ladies and gentlemen. Okra gumbo. And there you have it. With no problem. Again, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Life of Queen Sandy's YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that bell thing. Y'all heard me? Y'all have a blessed day. And I love y'all.